Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a small tutorial on how you can make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So after watching this video, you will also be able to make thumbnails like this. But just to tell you, I made this thumbnails recently for one of my video in which I explained my YouTube analytics of my channel for first month. So if you haven't watched that video, then do make sure to watch it by clicking on the I button. And if you find this video helpful, then do make sure to subscribe us. Now to make thumbnail, we first need to go to the Keynote app and choose the new document. Then choose any of the theme you like. I am choosing the basic white theme, but you can choose any of this and then click on the create button. Doing so, something like this interface will open against you, and here we will be making our thumbnails. Now coming to this page, go to the document section and make sure you have chosen this particular option. If you do not choose this option, the thumbnail you are making will not fit properly on the thumbnail section and it will look bad. So make sure to check that if it is chosen or not. Now delete all these things because we don't want these things in making our thumbnail. Now the first thing we need to do is to add a background. You can do either from here, because we have many color options to choose from. You can choose any of these that you may like, and another option is to add a background image that you want to be in your thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how can you do that. For that we need to go to the browser. Here search for the background images and go to the image section. Now from all these images, choose the image that may suit your video for which you are making your thumbnail. I am making the thumbnail for this particular video in which I am explaining or giving you tutorial about the Keynote. So while I'm searching for mine, you can search for yours. Now copy the image and paste it over here. Then stretch over the whole area. And then the important thing is to make this opaque by changing the opacity. 91% or 90% will do just fine for me. As you can see here, I have put some more stuffs. So now I'll show you some tricks so that you can edit these images to make your thumbnail. So the first thing we're gonna do is learn about how can you make this particular image come front or go back to the other images. As you can see, if I move it here, this image is going back to the YouTube image. So if I want this image to be in front of all images, I'll just have to click on it and then click on this option, bring to front, and after that your email will be in front of all these images, as you can see here. So here we'll learn how you can move images front or back to other images. To crop this image, you're gonna have to select this image again and select this particular option, edit mask. Now you can crop this image as you may like. We also have option to zoom in and zoom out for better precision. And when you are done with your cropping, you just have to click on the done button. Now we will learn how can you remove this background, because as you can see these both images are not fitting well. So we are going to remove this background from this particular image. For that we first have to select this image and then go to the format. Here click on the image and then click on the instant alpha. After that just click on the image background that's supposed to be removed. Now click on it and drag a little so that the blue line covers the all background, and after that remove your finger from trackpad or your mouse like this and click on the done button. And now you can see that most of the background has been removed. So this is how you can remove background, or you can just use png image, whatever you like. In the same way we are going to remove background from this image as well. So let me do this. And now I am going to arrange all these images so that it looks good on my thumbnail. And the last thing we need to do is to add text. To do this, go here and click on this, and in the right section you'll get all sort of setting about the text, like changing the size of the text, font, color, and many more things. In font section, mostly I like this particular option, 70 but only 72 small caps, but you can choose any of this. You got many options to choose from. So let me first write my text. Now to change the color of text, you can either choose from these blocks of colors or you can choose from this circle of colors. I usually prefer the circle option. And now we are done with our thumbnail making. After that, you just need to click on screenshot of this thumbnail. To take a screenshot, press shift command plus 5 and select the area you want to take a screenshot and click on the return, and here you can say your screenshot has been captured and this is your thumbnail. So this was the video on how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos on Keynote. So if you like the video and if this video was helpful to you, then do subscribe to our channel and do leave a comment for us.